Life is a vast and intricate tapestry, woven with moments of joy, sorrow, triumph, and challenge. Within its intricate threads lie countless lessons waiting to be unraveled, offering profound wisdom for those willing to listen. Let us embark on a journey of discovery, exploring some timeless insights that illuminate the path of existence. At the heart of life's wisdom lies the recognition of impermanence. Just as the seasons change and the tides ebb and flow, life is in a constant state of flux. Embracing this truth allows us to release attachments to fleeting moments and material possessions, fostering a sense of freedom and acceptance. Lesson 1: Embrace impermanence. From impermanence springs the realization that change is inevitable. Life is a river, forever flowing, carving new pathways and reshaping the landscape of our existence. In the face of change, we find the opportunity for growth and transformation. Lesson 2: Embrace change. Amidst life's ebb and flow, we encounter adversity. Challenges test our resolve, pushing us to our limits and beckoning us to rise above. It is in these crucibles of adversity that we discover our inner strength and resilience, forging the steel of our character. Lesson 3: Embrace adversity. Yet, amidst the trials and tribulations, there shines a beacon of hope, the power of choice. Life offers us an endless array of choices, each one shaping the course of our journey. By exercising conscious choice, we reclaim agency over our destiny, steering the ship of our lives towards the shores of fulfillment. Lesson 4: Embrace choice. In the pursuit of fulfillment, we are guided by the compass of purpose. Purpose infuses our actions with meaning, igniting the flame of passion and driving us towards our highest aspirations. It is through the pursuit of purpose that we discover our true calling and leave an indelible mark upon the world. Lesson 5: Embrace purpose. Yet, in the pursuit of purpose, we must not lose sight of the present moment. Life unfolds in the here and now, and it is only by fully immersing ourselves in the present that we uncover its richness and beauty. Mindfulness becomes our faithful companion, guiding us back to the present moment whenever our minds wander astray. Lesson 6: Embrace mindfulness. As we journey through life's tapestry, we encounter fellow travelers, each bearing their own burdens and blessings. Compassion becomes our guiding light, illuminating the path of empathy and understanding. In extending a helping hand to others, we discover the profound interconnectedness of all beings and the transformative power of love. Lesson 7: Embrace compassion. Finally, as we reflect upon life's wisdom, we come to realize that the greatest lesson of all is that life itself is the greatest teacher. Each moment, each experience, offers a treasure trove of insights waiting to be uncovered. By approaching life with an open heart and a curious mind, we unlock the door to boundless wisdom and profound understanding. Life is a journey of discovery, a sacred pilgrimage through the depths of existence. Embrace impermanence, change, and adversity as the crucibles of growth. Exercise conscious choice, guided by purpose and fueled by mindfulness. Extend compassion to all beings, recognizing the interconnectedness of all life. And above all, approach life with a sense of wonder and curiosity, for within its infinite tapestry lie the secrets of the universe waiting to be revealed.